Hi everyone, my name is Julie Burt. I'm doing this video for Dr. Tom's class 640 on assessment for Touro College, Graduate Studies in Education and Special Education. This video is going to be about interventions. My intervention is from interventioncentral.org. My intervention is called Numbered Heads Together. It's a whole group intervention. Number Heads Together is an instructional technique built upon peer collaboration that provides the supports and structure necessary to promote effective teacher questioning and student responding. This technique is useful for students with emotional and behavior disorders. Once again, it's a whole group approach. So the first step is to create groups or teams. So this is a great opportunity for the teacher to assess students, see where they're strong, where they're weak, and then have the opportunity every time you want to use this intervention to put different groups of kids together. Some who are stronger, weaker, and it's basically also the focus is peer support, peer learning. So like I said, the first step is to create groups or teams. Then the teacher asks a question. Then there's think time, 30 seconds about the question. Then the teacher says, okay, all number threes who know the answer, raise your hand. So then the teacher would pick a student who had the number 3, and the student would give their answer. The answer was developed within the group, the peer group. So it was worked upon collaboratively. So then what follows from that is a discussion. Is his answer correct? Can something be added to this answer to make it a stronger answer? And then it starts all over again. The discussion on the first question, the topic, then it would come to an end and another question would be presented. So then the teacher would give think time again and maybe ask for all number 4s who know the answer to raise your hand. Once again, the answer was done collaboratively within the group. And then it's also important, I think, feedback from the teacher, feedback from the group, feedback from the other groups, and it really encourages discussion. One of the tips from using this intervention is that maybe before it's used, the teacher has presented the guidelines and the policies. You cannot call out, you have to raise your hand, how long the think time is. Maybe you want to give 2 minutes, 3 minutes, depending on the subject or the age of the children. I know I work with young children. So basically we are in large group time, it's questioning in the whole group, but we can still stimulate discussion and generate opinions about a story or a topic. And we work more in small groups, and maybe we wouldn't give numbers, but maybe we'd use the child's name and just encourage discussion in that way. Like I said, this intervention is recommended mostly for children with emotional behavior disorders because I think it teaches collaboration, working together, taking turns, listening, which also applies to younger children, 2, 3, 4 years old, listening, taking turns, responding thoughtfully to others. That's my intervention. It's called Numbered Heads Together, and it's from interventioncentral.org.